Hello everyone, welcome to Research Circle YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your huge response. Our today's topic is fast publication elsewhere journals in process and industrial engineering. I request everyone to watch this video till end because we're going to discuss about multiple things in between. And at the last, we also going to see the comparative chart between all the journals that we are going to discuss. So many people were asking about please share the video about process and industrial engineering. So I have thoroughly reviewed and find it out the which journals are taking the less duration to publish the article and to get it accepted. So let's see every journal one by one. I thanks everyone to please for subscribing our channel. We have crossed 2000 plus subscribers and our next goal is to gain 3000 plus subscribers. So we will see the number of journals now. This is our browser window. I have already mentioned the number of journals to reduce our time. So we'll start with our first journal. The first journal is International Journal of Engineering Science. The site score of the journal is 15.2, and from submission to the first decision, the duration is 3 to 4 weeks, and next 7 days would be required for getting it accepted. That means the final decision. So I can say that from online submission to the final decision, the duration is around only 3 to 4 weeks. And after acceptance, it would require next 4 to 5 weeks for getting the article published on the website of elsewhere. Second journal is Journal of Loss Prevention in the Process Industries. The site score of the journal is 5.3, and from online submission to the first decision, the duration in a week is 6 to 7 weeks, and next 4 to 5 weeks more would be required for final decision. So ultimately, from online submission to the final decision, that means to the acceptance, the duration is 12 to 13 weeks, and after getting it accepted, it only 1 to 2 weeks for getting the article published. Our third journal is Process Safety and Environmental Protection. The site score of the journal is 7.2, and from online submission to the first decision, the duration is only 3 to 4 weeks. Here also it is been mentioned. Time to first decision is 3 to 4 weeks. And later on, more 3 to 4 weeks would be required for getting your article accepted. So final decision. So from like online submission to the final decision, the duration is around 8 to 9 weeks. It may get varied a little. The fourth journal is Journal of Industrial and Engineering Chemistry. The site score of the journal is 8.3. The duration from online submission to the first decision is 5 to 6 weeks, and after that 2 to 3 weeks more would be required for final decision. So from online submission to get the article accepted, the overall duration in a week is 7 to 8 weeks. And after that, only 2 weeks would be required for publication of article in a elsewhere journal. Next is Journal of Chemical Health and Safety. This journal is right now handover to the American Chemical Society Division of Chemical Health and Safety, and this journal from online submission to the first decision, the duration that they require is 3 to 4 weeks, and next 7 to 8 weeks would be required for final decision as the journal is been handled. So overall duration is 14 to 15 weeks from online submission to acceptance, and after acceptance within like next 2 to 3 weeks only the article will be online and it will be published. So these are the 5 journals which publishes your article very fast. Now we will see the comparative chart between all those journals. So here I have mentioned the name of journal. This chart, this column is showing from online submission to the first decision duration, and this second column is showing from online submission, that means from start to the final decision, the complete duration, and third column is showing the duration that would be required for publication of article, and this duration is from getting your article accepted to the publication. So from acceptance to the publication, duration is been mentioned. So this is the overall scenario about the fast publication of journals. It may vary, the duration may get varied depending on the situation, depending on the availability of editorial board and all those stuff. So thank you so much for subscribing to our Research Circle YouTube channel. Those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our Research Circle channel. And those who haven't downloaded our Research Circle app, I request all of them to please download our Research Circle app. We are providing free and paid workshops, webinar, FDP, and conferences. Those who want to enroll their name in a connect section where you can connect with the multiple researchers, academicians, you put an email to us on researchcircle2020@gmail.com. So that's it for today's session. We will come up with new video. Thank you so much, guys.